Again, very high risky markets here today, especially futures trading is risky and only risk capital should be deployed. That's money that can be lost without you having to sell your home and have it totally change your lifestyle. That's not the purpose of futures trading. It's for people who have extra capital to deploy for this purpose of this high risk, potential high reward business. So we're long at 24. Um, I will move this line here to 24. That's where we just got long. And I'm targeting a move to 38 if you can believe it. So I'm actually looking for this thing to recover all this and try to smoke them right up towards the top of this candle area up here where they made their last faltered move. We still like scalping, but this is pegged for a larger scale recovery move, so I'm going to try to go for that. Um, I'm watching all the signs, and we may have some fluctuations where they go back to our entry and tweak us a little bit, but overall, so far so good. Got 30 coming in here. We got to get them power punched above uh, 33. I mean, duh, we want 38, but I'm saying 33 is a real key number. So first things first, obviously, getting that 30 handle working higher and getting some air above 30, showing the love up there above 30, showing them that they aren't going to endlessly just crunch today, but they are going to try to whip back a little bit, hopefully. And we might scalp at some point in here, but I'm just watching all the signs first to see if we can get them going above 30 here. And hopefully not try to bamboozle our 24 entry too much here. It's a very volatile day. I'm looking for a recovery. Let's see if we can get 30 going and see if we can squeeze the market up a little bit higher. Um, I don't think we may end up being better off scalping, and I can understand that, but I'm gonna try for a larger scale move above 30 to see if they can get some air up above 30, like 31, 31.50, and start stabilizing up there. If they can, we have a very good chance at least of running 33, and then from there, who knows? The world may be our oyster up above 33 if we can just, first of all, punch them up into 30. I got a key number right there at 32. So that's, like I said, 32 or higher, and 32 or higher, working 33, stabilizing 32 to 33 is great. That should give us, ideally, in a perfect world, that should give us a ticket to 38-ish. So we got 30 going. We need to really actually get prices closing and stabilizing above 32. And so good luck with that. I hope they don't have to run down and play games and test our 24s entry, but they might. Let's see if we can try to stabilize this thing. Still in a bear pattern here. We're not out of the woods yet. Should I be scalping instead of looking for a bigger scale move? The answer is I don't know. I think we're going to get that ramp up. I think we might get we're still in the bear pattern, so the sell side's going to still have pressure, and I hate to see our 24s turn into a break even where we are now with just 2 points when we could have scalped them out at 30, but no guts, no glory. I think we're going to get a revival here. So I'm trying to work for that. Let's get them back up here and see if we can crunch them out over 32 or over 30. We still got to get 30 working, to be honest with you. Usually we scalp for 4 to 5 points. This is not a scalp. I'm nervously trying to hold out for a turnaround, and it's not looking that good. It's really, they're really clawing away. The bears are really clawing away at this market today. So let's go ahead and hang on and see if we can just get that good result that we want. So long at 24, I think, you know, I want 38 in a perfect world, but look at the volatility. Woo. I want 38 in a perfect world, but I can't right now at this point. I can't even get 30 going. They're still in this bear kind of tone with the chart patterns I'm seeing, and I'm just taking a chance that we are going to try to turn around and turn up. I hope I'm right, but we really need to get not just 30 stabilized, we got to get 32 stabilized. If we can do that, then there is a chance of hitting that 38 way up there, up in outer space. Okay, a little better here, a little better improvement. So we're still targeting 38. We're watching 34. I'd like you, if you have multiples on, to take something off at 34. That's our standard procedure. We're getting close to that now. Let's see if they can blast 32 to 34 zone and run them up to
Order
38.
pending.
There's 34, so you're out with, you got a nice gain there so far at the 34s, 10 points. Trying to get 38 here. Let's see if we can blast him to 38. Stay ready to jump out anytime. Uh, let's go ahead and be conservative. Take them out at 37 or higher. 37 or higher. There it is. Boom. 37. You see that? They just printed 37. Let's hit it again. There's 37.
Order can
quarter.
target
We traded through it at
filled.
37. So we got out at 37. 24 long. Out at 37. Plus 13 points on that one. Fast 13 points, but a little, a little nerve-wracking, but that's okay. Did we hit 38? 37.50. Aren't you glad I adjusted that limit? Something told me. I get a feeling reading these numbers. Plus, you have a gift spike like that. We love gift spikes. We like to take them. When they gave us a second one, I adjusted the number. So great job, you guys.